Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this ET-8550. We're going to talk about the PGU, Page Guide Unit. Also, since we're here, I'm going to talk about how to change the PE sensor. This is the back of ET-8550 with the scanner removed. You can see for the PE sensor in the middle, this is PGU. Okay, so you get a 2 PGU on the left, 2 PGU on the right. Now we're going to work on the right first. Get a dental tool and remove the 2 springs. You can see without spring, it still can hold on to the frame. So just use your hand, push down, it'll slide out. Notice the tab will hold at the bottom of the spring. So when you install, you'll know where to attach your spring to. We're going to save the spring and I'm going to take a closer look. This is the single hook that hooks itself to the main frame, that without the spring, it can stay there. 2 springs, and those 2 springs hold down 3 white tabs. However, the 3 tabs only happen to the center of the PGU. For example, this PGU will have 3 tabs just like this one, but the one next to it will only have 1 tab. How can I know about this? We can go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 parts list, and we select this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. Also, you can come back and check the version number. Here's the version number. You can either log into your account and click downloadable products and get a newest version, or just email support at bchtechnologies.com and give us your order number and we can send it through email. I constantly making new videos, so my plan is when I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. You click that, and it will show how to work with this part. All the parts are numbered, so if you click the name, it brings you to the product page that you can get a spare part. For example, the one we took off in the center is on the left. On the right, you can see there's only 1 tab and there's only 1 spring. Push it down. They'll have 2 rollers, and we flip over, and the center one has 2 wheels, and the one on the right or far left, on the edge ones, they don't have wheels. They'll just have an empty spot for the wheel. Alright, let's line them up. You can see the difference between center ones and edge ones. To install them, find that single hook that I was talking about. Then you're going to see the openings on the frame. So we're going to push that hook over the hole and punch in the hole, and we can secure the PGU on it. It just stands on its own without a spring. And then we use a plier, and it's perfect. Now we're going to take off the PGU next to the PE sensor. It's the same kind of deal, except we only get 1 spring per PGU. For the PE sensor, and you need to unscrew a screw from here. In case you mix up later, this screw is like a skinny and long. And now we can remove we push down and remove the PGU on both sides. And those PGU has directions left and right. They are so narrow, so they only get 1 tab. Now in the middle, and we got this PE sensor, paper eject sensor. The screw on this sensor is fat and short. And the eye of the sensor pointing to us. And notice the FFC cable, the silver side is toward us. I will take the screw out and we're ready to replace it. And make sure it's the same model. And you know where to get it? BCHtechnologies.com. And remember what I said at the direction of the IFFC cable? If you're replacing the IFFC and just don't tear the old IFFC away before you're ready for this, and just trace where the old IFFC goes. Right, so the fat screw on the assembly and the skinny screw from the top. The trick is you let the screw drop in from the slot first. Then you lift up the assembly and then screw it down. There we go. And we put on the PGU the same way. Put the hooks on first. Make sure it can independently hang in there. And then put the spring back. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit BCHtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.